enters. Still.
Yes, I see there isn't anyone here, so maybe I will start now.
Okay.
Okay, welcome and hello, my student in the third TVs in my session with Mr. Mahmoud Abdullah. Now, let's start our lesson. And firstly, I have a video. I need to watch it carefully because I'm gonna to ask you some exercise and you should solve it. So should be ready, okay? I will count 3, 1, 2, 3, and go ahead, okay?
Okay.
Now I will share my screen. It's okay. Now I will start the video.
Three of us found treasure on a scuba trip, so we pulled our treasure up onto the ship. Since we were so blessed by this rarity, we decided to give half of it to charity. We took the rest and split it up 3 ways. 1/3 of the rest was still a huge payday. 1/3 for me, 1/2 for charity. So what's my share? Let's multiply and see.
When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators.
My friend and I were digging for dinosaur bones. We decided to search in a rectangular zone. We split it equally between the 2 of us. The first day I found a bone from a brontosaurus. I found a few more by the end of day 2, when 3/8 of my half had been searched through. Of my half, I had explored 3/8. How much of the entire space did I excavate?
When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators.
Three of us found treasure on a scuba trip, so we pulled our treasure up onto the ship. Since we were so blessed by this rarity, we decided to give half of it to charity. We took the rest and split it up 3 ways. 1/3 of the rest was still a huge payday. 1/3 for me, 1/2 for charity. So what's my share? Let's multiply and see.
When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators.
My friend and I were digging for dinosaur bones. We decided to search in a rectangular zone. We split it equally between the 2 of us. The first day I found a bone from a brontosaurus. I found a few more by the end of day 2, when 3/8 of my half had been searched through. Of my half, I had explored 3/8. How much of the entire space did I excavate?
When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. When we need to multiply 2 fractions, this is our reaction. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators.
the demo.
No, you can see my,
Okay. I make it.
yeah.
The demo is 20.
Yeah, the dominate you can read the exercise first, Mustafa. Can you read it? After that, you can answer. Okay. I need to pay attention, Ammar, because you
2
after
over 5 multiplied by
yes, 3
2
over
over 5 multiplied by 3 over 4. 5 multiplied by 4 equal 20. So the demo is 20. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. 15 over 20 and
yeah, Mustafa, pay
8 over 20.
8 or 6 over 20. Okay, Mustafa.
8
I will move to Ammar. Ammar, can you solve this exercise again? 2 over 5 multiplied 3 over 4.
Okay, we can't because the two denominators are not equal. So we will multiply 4 by 5 and 5 by 4 equals 20. And 3 multiply 5 equals 15. And
Okay,
2
Ammar,
multiply.
we have multiplication, not addition. So pay attention about this point. We have 2 over 5 multiplies 3 over 4. What about you, Fayuz? Can you answer this? Yeah,
Yes, Mister.
yeah, I have this answer now. Can you answer this? We have we have numerator here. We have numerator. We have denominator. What about this? Can you see me? What is the steps? Yes, 2 multiply what?
2 multiply 3.
The answer will be 6, and the 4 multiply 5 equal
2.
20. So the answer will be what? 6 over 20. Okay, we will move in Mustafa again.
Okay.
Mustafa, can you read this and answer? Okay.
Yeah. 4 multiplied by 2 equal 8. 1 multiplied by 1 equal 1. 1 over 8.
Excellent, Mustafa. What about you, Ammar? Can you answer this?
It will be 3 multiply 4 equals 12, and 5 multiply 4 equals 20.
Excellent, Ammar. What about you, Fayuz? Can you answer this exercise now?
Yes, Mister.
Yeah.
5 multiply 2 is 10, and 12 multiply 5.
Yeah, 5 multiply 6 equal 5 multiply 12 equal
5 multiply 12 is 60.
Excellent, wonderful. Now, this is the main idea. Who give me the main idea of this exercise? What can I show to solve all fraction?
Multiply the fraction.
Yeah, multiply the fraction numerator with denominator and the denominator the same. Okay, so we have numerator in the first one, 2 multiply 3 equal 6, and the 4 multiply 5 equal 20. So it is the main idea to solve any multiply to fraction. Now we will move another video is talking about what we will discover it. I need to watch it carefully.
But I can't understand the last lesson. What you built it in Kahoot. Can you explain it again?
Okay, no problem. I have another website. It's talking about this main idea. So don't worry about this point. Okay. Now, if you cannot hear the video, you can tell me. Okay. Now we will move the video. After that, we will discover the main idea, and we will solve all exercises talking about this. So
I took my blocks and built 2 walls. In each wall, 1 block was 1/4 of them all. 2 divided by 1/4 equals 8. 8 blocks to build the wall at my castle gate. To divide a whole number by a fraction, we start by dividing the whole number into fractional parts. Then count the number of fractional parts present, and that will be the quotient.
divided by 1/5 equals 15. That's how many blocks it took to build my seats. To divide a whole number by a fraction, we start by dividing the whole number into fractional parts. Think of the number of fractional parts present, and that will be the quotient.
Yeah. When there's a fraction we want to divide by, we can flip the fraction and multiply. Think of 3 divided by 1/5. We'll get the same answer if we multiply and flip. So these expressions are equal, and we call 5/1 1/5 reciprocals.
To divide a whole number by a fraction, we start
Yeah, we're gonna start here.
by dividing the whole number into fractional parts. Think of the number of fractional parts present,
Yeah, they all here.
and that will be the quotient.
Quotient, this is the quotient. Yeah, yeah. We got the quotient.
I will ask you some question now. Mustafa, can you tell me what is this video are talking about?
Division.
Yes.
A whole number by a fraction.
Wonderful, Mustafa. Thanks so much. What about you, Ammar? Can you tell me the rule if you have a whole
But
number?
I don't answer.
Yeah, I know everything now. I know I need to think about the rule. How can we do the division by the fraction? Any student can
Yes,
answer?
teacher.
Yeah, you can answer now. Yes, you can answer now.
Okay. So what I have to answer?
Yeah, we have now 3. If we have this, Marcella mom is buying 3 packets of the whole for Sunday dinners, 1 serving of package 1/6. How many serving does she have? Now we have division 3 divided by 1/6. Can you tell me how can I solve this now? And when you are listening to the video, you can discover that the rule for solving this.
Okay. Just a second.
Okay, take your time. Fayouz, I need to think about the rule now because I will ask you after Mustafa.
It will be 18. I know.
Yeah, okay, can you answer now? What is the rule?
Teacher, the answer will be 18.
Excellent, that's very good for you. That's very good. Thanks so much. Okay, I will. Can you explain, Mustafa? Can you explain for you how can we get number 18 in this exercise now? I need to discover the formula, the rule of solving this. Can you tell me the rule now? How can we solve this? Yeah, the first step we will write. We have 3 packets now, and we will divide it in 6 like this. 2, 4, 6. Okay, now how many blocks are there here in all?
6.
This 6 and 6 and 6. So the answer will be what?
The answer will be
This number 6. This number 6. All of them 6 and this 6. All of them. Yeah, the answer will be what?
It will be 24.
It will be what? 6 plus 6 plus 6 means 6 multiply 6. So the answer will be 18. This is when you sketch it. Okay. We have another solution for this. Okay, I will give you another example to discover how can we solve this now. Okay, my student. Now I will give you this fraction, and we have reciprocal. You mean the reciprocal of this fraction? Fayouz, can you tell me what does it mean reciprocal of the fraction? We have this 1/2 and the other side 2/1. What does it mean it? What is the relation between 1/2 and 2/1?
This is fraction and this is
Yes, yeah, go ahead.
respiration.
I didn't hear you. Can you tell me again? What does it mean it? We have, pay attention in the fraction here, 1/2 and 2/1. You can read this and you can discover 2/3 and 3/2. What does it mean it? We have numerator 1 and numerator 2. We have numerator 2 and numerator 1. What is the rule here? We should what? Flip what? The fraction. We should what? Flip the fraction. So the fraction when I ask you about the reciprocal, just flip the fraction. 1/2. 1/2 here. So when we flip it, it will be what? 2/1. Okay, I will ask you in the second one. We have 2/3. I need to solve the reciprocal to answer this. Can you read this, Fayuz, and answer it now?
2/3.
So the reciprocal what? Well, it will be what?
3/2.
Excellent. Thanks so much. What about you, Mustafa? Can you read the third one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, 3/4 and 4/3.
Yeah, it means, what does it mean reciprocal? Ammar means you flip the fraction. Numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. Now we will.
Yeah, like 7/1 and 1/7.
Excellent. That's very good. You are attractive now, Ammar. Now, I will move another slide. This is the rule, multiply by reciprocal.
We have a
Here,
or what?
guys, now we will apply the reciprocal in this fraction. Can you solve the first one, Ammar? And read the exercise now, and you can solve the first one. Yes. Read the exercise now.
Okay, 6 divide 1/7.
Yeah, we will apply the reciprocal here. Can you tell me the answer now? If you apply this rule. Okay, Ammar.
It will be.
Yes.
It will be.
Yeah, try to think. Yes, Ammar, go ahead.
42.
Excellent. How can you solve this, Mustafa? Can you tell me why you get 42 in this question? Because we flipped the divide into multiply, and 1/7 we flipped it 7/1. So the answer will be what, Ammar? 42. Okay. What about you, Fayuz? Can you tell me the answer of this question now? 5 is 1.
Okay. 5 minus 8, 9.
Can you tell me the steps of this exercise? I need the steps only. After that, you can tell me about it. Okay. The first step, we will do what?
We will.
Yeah. You will do what? In the third one, in the second one, 8 divided by 1/10. The answer will be what? 8. Divide what? It will be times, and 1/10 it will be 10/1. So the answer will be 80. Okay. Mustafa.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the third one? Read this.
Okay. 5 divided by 3/2.
Yes, the answer will be what?
1 second.
Okay, take your time.
15.
How can you get it? 5 multiply 3.
I must.
Yes. Mustafa.
I mean 10.
Okay, the answer will be 10/2. Thank you so much, Mustafa, about your attention. What about you, Fayuz? Can you answer this? The last one? How can we get it?
Okay, Mister.
Yeah, the
We
first one.
get
It will be
we
what?
get
Yes.
6 and 4.
Yeah.
Then the answer will be
42 over. Yeah, 7/1 multiply 6/5. The answer will be what, my student?
it will be
Yeah. 42 over
5.
5. That's really good. So, can you explain, if I use the formula or the rule of this fraction here? If you need to ask you multiply a whole number by a fraction now, what is the main idea of this? Can you tell me? Fayuz, can you hear me now? Okay, Ammar, can you tell me the formula or the rule of solving this exercise?
7 and 2/1.
Yeah, how can we solve it? The first one, we will write the first whole number. After that, we will flip the division. After flip the sign of division, we flip the fraction. We will write the reciprocal here, okay? So the answer will be numerator times numerator and denominator times numerator. That's it. Now, we will move another slide, and I will ask you, I will give you now more exercises talking about this. Okay, my student, now pay attention. Are you ready?
Yeah. Mr. Can
Yes, we have the book now. We will solve all together into groups. Okay, my student. I will divide you into groups, so pay attention now.
How about making a competition?
Yeah, I will give you some exercise now. After that, I will ask you. Now we have a group. Yeah. Can I ask you? I will ask you, Mustafa. Can you tell me the first exercise 3/5? I need to find the reciprocal here. The answer will be what? Yes, Mustafa. Can you hear me? And the answer is this. 3/5. The answer will be what?
5/3.
Excellent. That's very good. Thanks so much. What about you, Ammar? Can you answer this question? 7/4. Can you find the reciprocal here?
7/4.
Yeah.
It will be 4/7.
Excellent. It will be 4/7. Thank you so much, Ammar. What about this? Can you answer? This 9/1 will be, yeah. The answer will be
Okay.
what?
1/9.
Excellent. Thanks so much. What about you, Mustafa? Can you answer this now? Find the each quotient of this or product of this. Yeah, you can take your time.
12.
Yeah. The answer will be what?
12. 15/2.
We will write step by step. The first step we will write, Mustafa. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, I will write the answer now. We will write 6. Yeah.
12.
That divided will be
12.
yeah 6/3/2. So the answer will be what, Mustafa? 6 multiplied 3 equal what? 18. And the answer
18/3.
yeah 18/3. The answer will be 6. Okay.
18/2. 18/2.
18/2. Excellent, Ammar. You are pay attention. Yes, thanks so much. Now we will.
Me, Mustafa. I said it. Mustafa.
Yes, Mustafa. Thanks so much. I'm so sorry. What about you, Ammar? Can you answer number 11 now? Ammar, you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you answer this number 11 now? What is the answer? Or can you?
It will be 3. It will be. Just a second. 12.
Excellent. 12. You will write this step 3 multiplied 4/1, and so on. Everything is the same. Okay. I need to summarize about this exercise or this lesson now, Ammar or Mustafa. Can you explain what can I should to solve all exercise here when I see reciprocal? Let's start with Mustafa. Can you tell me how can we get the reciprocal of all in fraction here? What is the step to find it? I need to summarize this idea. Can you tell me in another example? Mustafa. Okay. Ammar, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me how can we find the reciprocal for any fraction here?
We just flip the fraction.
Excellent. So the answer will be what?
10/3.
Yeah, and this fraction 1/15. The answer will be what? 15/1, and so on. All of them flip the fraction on. Okay. When I see the divide the whole number by the fraction, how can we solve it now? We will apply the formula here for. Can you tell me the rule of this solving this exercise now?
Me, teacher?
Yeah, you can answer, Mr. Ammar, in number 22.
Okay.
Yeah, the answer will be what? 5?
The answer will be 5 first multiply 3.
Yes, over
2.
So the formula here, write the first number 5. After that, we flip the sign of the divide. It will be multiply. After that, we flip the fraction. So the answer will be what, Mustafa? 5 multiplied 3 equals 15, and the same denominator 15/2, and so on. Okay. Now I will give you exercises talking about this. Okay. And quizzes. Yeah, I will send you the link. After that, you must write your name only and join it, okay? Yeah, this is a very attractive competition. Go on, Mustafa and Ammar. Yes, Mustafa and Ammar. Just join it and write your name. I can't see anyone here. This is called the quizzes. Yes, Ammar, I see it. You are very wonderful. Ammar, what about you, Mustafa? Can you enter the link and join it only? Mustafa, can you hear me? Okay, Ammar, I will enter with you, and I will make competition, you and me, okay? And I will see the winner. Now, my student, this is the links for quizzes. We will enter it and join all. And join. I will join with my name, Mahmoud. I will start now with the quiz. After that, we will do competition for all. I have Ammar and Mustafa and Fayrouz now. I have Ammar and Mustafa and Fayrouz. Now we have the first exercise. 3 divided by 3 is 4. I think that. That's excellent. I have Ammar and where are you, Mustafa? 3 divided by the answer will be, I think that 3. Yes. I have 2, lunch, that. Oh my God, I lost 1 point. That's Ammar first. Yes, 3, yes. Yes, Ammar. You are on track, Ammar. Yeah, that's what this is that. Yeah, nice work, Mustafa. Yeah, nice work. Okay, I think that. Great work, Mr. Mahmoud and Mustafa. Well, Mustafa, keep trying to solve this. Oh my God, I lost the game. Okay, no problem about this. Mustafa, we didn't have so 4 divided by half. The answer will be, I think that's it. Okay. Yeah. 9. Marvelous, Mustafa. And Ammar, marvelous. Yes. You have got it. Yeah, I have a nice try now. Oh my God. I get it again. Okay, we have Ammar in the first degree. Thanks so much, Ammar, about your attention. And we have Mahmoud the second, and we have Mustafa in the third one. Thanks so much about everything. You are on track for my team. Now we will move another quiz here. We will get move quizzes now. Yeah, we have this new board, Mahmoud. Yes, I will join my class now. You can join. Yeah, this is a video, I think, flat, divided the whole number by unit. You can listen again. Yeah. Yeah, this is the, okay, this is, we are listening again, and we have open exercise. We have now another video. Listening that. You can answer, yes, this. You can listen again and answer, you can, yeah, we listened before. So we have exercise about this video. Now my students pay attention in this exercise. Okay. Yeah, you have worksheet now, I think. Yeah, we have worksheet we talked before and we solved this. Now we'll move another one. Yeah, that's this quizzes we enter it and we joined. Okay. Okay, you can draw here. Draw number 1 to present a whole number, divide each into 8 pieces. So you can draw like this. And you can draw two rectangle here. Yes, like this. And draw four parts here, like this. So all of them 8 parts, so the answer will be 8x. Yeah, excellent, my student. And now we finish my new board. Okay, and we have a summary of this lesson. We are talking about the dividing by whole number by the fraction. Mustafa and Ammar talking briefly about how can we solve this by two methods. Ammar answer me, we can divide it by two methods like the sketch in this slide. We can do this, you can sketch, you can draw the graph, or you can sketch it. After that, you can divide it in 6 parts. You count all parts here, so the answer will be 18. And when we divide 3 divided by 1/6, okay? And the same, if we have 2 divided by 1/8, we have 2 whole number here, and divided it 1/8 for all. So we count it all, the answer will be 18. This is the first method. Mustafa, answer me the second method about, we can do this by reciprocal. If we have a fraction here, 1/2, we can do this to the reciprocal. 2/3, the reciprocal 3/2. We will flip the fraction, and we will flip this, flip the sign here. Okay, we have the first one. Mustafa and Ammar solve all of them like this. 6 divided 1/7, the answer will be 6 multiply 7/1. We flip the division here, and we flip 1/7, it will be 7/y. After that, we can do multiply here, and the next one the same, 8 divided 8, flip the sign, 10/1 flipped 8, so the answer will be 80, and so on. This is the summary of you for all my session today. I hope everything is clear today, and thanks so much about everything. See you next, inshallah, in the next session with another with a new lesson, inshallah. Thanks so much, my student. Okay.
You